Akwatia is a mining community in the eastern region and one of the notable areas for the growing of cash crops such as cocoa and oil palm. But the town can barely boast of good inner roads and linking ones to neighboring communities. Residents of Achimkusi town tell Citi News the dusty nature of the linking road to Takrase poses a health risk to them. Commercial drivers lament the effect on their operations.
It's still ready. I want to be an afi. I have Akwatia. I cook a day. Wash I be more my messieurs and my clammy. In foot to acquire quite the MY, quite the Yakura.
I say, yeah, it's in the same
Potholes in foot throw. Just say, quite anxiety and yo, in so to easy. I am better. Quite in your car, papa crow coins will be a talker no the cookroom. O talk out of verse, Bibia, not say no answer. Portos are kissing a quiny nine yet as a quiny dear, rushing doors, yes, Ramwa. Yo, this your Puma organizer, Filia. Siana Mom, why I have 1 million. Oh, and
Yasha, you who said, baby, I say the coat tab.
Oh, where dear? Yami am no ko na wo ko say pese egu ye kwan so ye pese egu ye kwan so kota ye friend man made e bin see that the whole then what is kusin kwan no ko yo my machines no be twa so e no my scan e fa bobo ya na na egu so sa to ye adwen ho ya adwen ho e ya na egu ye kwan to na bo ko yo na ebo aye na egu ye kwan
dey blow eja me su betime dwales untimi shata de wa ha o untimi shata de nka se wa dress wa de kokedo unya se wata de na bedu ka se wa ase wo fie kura bi na aba so most ye wo penifo ye mpatamu a nyame hira ye wo sa ne ma no ye wo mo organizer do wo emba ni a wo organizer wo fita krase ye wo disi wa ase ye wo amafo disi kwa betra so be ATS kisimu ni betra so ATS wo mpatamu ade anka ye kwan de aden
ni ye kwan ye na nsen kura ni ntimi nkwa Akwatia na onabo edi efidie abreyen abedwu ye kwan su nyina kamanti se di etimi kwa Akwatia hospital yekodi dwa yekoye bibia e wa Akwatia
ayen show akoye mfuturo kwan how best ana ye de
o mfuturo na ekoye mu ese ni yesro na boso obetimi abegu ye kwan yi so amayen.
In an attempt to give a facelift to the road, the residents have resorted to using the residue of processed palm kernel oil on the roads after the Member of Parliament for the area, Henry Yadomboachi, restripped the road.
Insuta na choku hadmusi, tema cast na ekono na omobre. Entinim kwa me kwache omo ye kwankwan koda kwa kobo highway for na mane enso no. Omo yen say my bibia wi ntum memeye. Na ya de sofini as sakas that betu hanuma na eja. Omo ye nti so omo ye man yanka be pepa so omo ye sa covet no man. Na ekwan no so no the see ne edure die em say ye ha no nke be stress ko ta kwan ko meye man esan say mfuturo ne die nso tope na sansen gates ni ho tamu ye gates ni nyina awi a na nka ko tra mayen na nka aboa yen.
For residents of the Toboase township in the Akwatia constituency, the government must asphalt the dusty roads and provide culverts to help curb flooding whenever it rains.
I am Futukwande, I can't want so much by a check. And so only would you may be a and Pamfutron at the Yareba. When the Sintama, you could say, be brave pepun. Since in Futron, I found a good tiny Hentino. Yareka Sia Bobo and Yadi. And Smith him the same Futron, and yet no more case rabbi and say. Conabo, Omodina, on she, so been supervisor, we are mine, it many baby at.
A hano, and sure to a honey yet. A honey ye at a 10 year, and to say, my Adam, that's a movie chat, Yaquia Mayana, Yadamasipa. Some about movie chat, Equia Mayan. Sana, yes, foot through name, in Susan, Swan Bassan, I blew a heart, and Kalana Cray free, school bar. Will be a while, it's me fun. Got to say, after the alley, and then turn to my name, and your money on my back. And see, my bay window, yeah, who said, more and punt your mark, curry.
The MP has also facilitated the construction of some inner roads for the Achimwenchi town for ease of mobility by residents. The Member of Parliament for Akwatia, Henry Yadomboache, tells Citi News he would work to ensure that the poor roads are fixed by the Ministry of Roads and Highways.
So what I intend doing is I actually file a question to the Roads and Highways Minister, Honorable Akwatia, and he made a promise to me that after the holidays I should do a follow-up and see how best he's going to package a contract, and that contract will be awarded. Then they can come back to site and continue. Because they were doing it before the election. We don't know what actually happened. After the election, then the contractor came and then they packed things and left. So it's something that I'm following up. I'm doing this on my capacity. To tie the road also is a different thing. You know, that's also a government work. I would say that in the sense that they were doing it before I came in as a member of parliament. So mine is to make sure I follow up, talk to the road sector minister and make sure things will be done at the appropriate time.
The MP, as part of his developmental projects for the area, has commenced the construction of a chips compound at Ariaso and also renovated similar projects at Buedua and Baminase, all within the constituency. This is the Kusi town linking to Takrase, all within the Akwatia constituency in the eastern region. And the deplorable nature of the roads here are making residents here uncomfortable. To this end, most of the residents have improvised this bitumen that you see by me, just in an attempt to lessen the impact of the dusty road on them. They are calling on the government to ensure that the deplorable nature of the road is fixed as soon as possible. Reporting for Citi News from Akwatia, my name is Ni Ayikwe Okai.